In this video, we're going to take a look at Avogadro's law. So Avogadro's law is a mathematical relationship between the volume of a gas and the number of moles of gas present. Now, what's really neat about this law is that 1 mole of a gas that occupies the same volume will occupy the same volume as 1 mole of another gas at the same temperature and pressure. And so you can see from our samples here, we've got a mole of argon, we've got a mole of oxygen, and we have a mole of nitrogen gas. And all three of them all take up 22.7 liters. And so this is what's actually called the molar volume of an ideal gas at STP, so standard temperature and pressure. So that's 0 degrees Celsius and 100 kPa. Is 22.7 decimeters cubed or liters per mole. So we can use this relationship to figure out the number of moles of a gas for any kind of given volume. And so here's an example. We've got a balloon that contains 2 liters of helium gas at standard temperature and pressure. How many moles of helium are present? Now we can represent Avogadro's law as V1 over N1 is equal to V2 over N2. And what we know here is that we know at STP our volume is 22.7 liters. Let's just rewrite that again, 22.7 liters. And the number of moles that it corresponds to is 1 mole, because that is our molar volume of a gas. Now, we want to find out, these would then be V1 and N1. We want to know how many moles we have at 2.0 liters. So we need to figure out how many moles at 2 liters. So we can set up our equation here, and if we take 22.7 divided by 1 mole is equal to 2.0 liters over N moles. And if we solve for N2, we'll find that we get 0.088 moles. Okay, so that's one nice way that we can use Avogadro's law to figure out how many moles of a gas we have at a given volume. That's it for this video then. Let's move on to our next task.